Liqui Moly is a German oil brand that American guys with European cars either swear by or have never heard of. And the reason that distinction matters is that the engines in BMWs, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Volkswagen have viscosity requirements and additive specifications that are completely different from what your F-150 or a Silverado needs. And using the wrong oil in them is a genuine problem. If you or someone in your family drives a European car and you've been grabbing Mobil 1 off the shelf because it's what you've always used, you need to understand why the recommendation changes when the engine under the hood has a BMW badge or a Mercedes star. I'm going to run Liqui Moly against Mobil 1 in 4 categories specific to European engine applications and give you a clear answer on which one belongs in those engines. Let me start with what makes European engines different from American engines in terms of oil requirements. Most European luxury and performance engines, particularly from BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Audi, carry proprietary oil approval specifications that go well beyond the API-SP and ILSAC GF6 standards we use for American vehicles. BMW specifies the BMW Long Life Standards LL01, LL04, LL17 FE+, depending on the model and engine. Mercedes-Benz uses MB 229.5, 229.51, and 229.52 specifications. VW and Audi use VW 504.00/507.00 and similar VW-specific ratings. These specifications test for things that American API tests don't cover in the same way, including compatibility with diesel particulate filters, low-ash chemistry for turbocharged direct injection European engines, and extended drain performance under European service conditions. An oil that doesn't carry the specific approval for your European engine is not fully validated for that engine, regardless of how premium it sounds. Round 1 is wear protection in European engine applications. Liqui Moly is a German company that has engineered their product line specifically around European OEM specifications. Their Leichtlauf High-Tech 5W40, their Special Tech F5W30, and their Moligen New Generation line are all formulated and approved to meet specific BMW, Mercedes, VW, and Porsche approval standards. The Leichtlauf High-Tech 5W40 carries BMW LL01, MB 229.5, and VW 502.00, 505.00 approvals. Mobil 1 does have European specification products, the Mobil 1 ESP line, that carry some European OEM approvals. However, Liqui Moly's entire brand identity and engineering focus is built around European engine requirements, while for Mobil 1, European specs are a portion of a much larger product catalog. For wear protection in a BMW or Mercedes engine, Liqui Moly's depth of European OEM approval and European engine-specific formulation gives them the edge. Liqui Moly takes round 1. Score: Liqui Moly 1, Mobil 1, 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. European performance engines, BMW M engines, AMG V8s, Porsche flat 6s, operate at higher thermal loads than most American passenger car engines. The oil needs to maintain its film strength under sustained high oil temperatures that these engines routinely see during highway driving or spirited use. Liqui Moly's full synthetic formulations carry strong flashpoint numbers, typically around 220 to 230 degrees Celsius flashpoint for their 5W40 products. Mobil 1 ESP 5W40 comes in at similar or slightly better flashpoint numbers
and has a well-documented track record in performance applications. Both oils are competitive here. For extreme performance applications, track use, modified European performance cars, Mobil 10W40 has a documented track record. This round is very close. Liqui Moly takes it narrowly on their specific European tuning. Score: Liqui Moly 2, Mobil 1, 0. Now here's where the comparison shifts. Round 3 is cold weather performance and availability.
European engines often call for 5W30 or 0W30 in their low-temperature specification, particularly the turbocharged and direct injection engines common in recent BMWs and Mercedes. Both Liqui Moly and Mobil 1 offer qualifying products in these grades. Cold flow performance between the two brands in matching viscosities is comparable. Where Mobil 1 has a practical advantage is in American retail availability. You can walk into any Walmart or AutoZone and find Mobil 1 full synthetic or Mobil 1 ESP products. Liqui Moly is typically available at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and online, but not always at the lowest prices you'll find for Mobil 1. Mobil 1 takes round 3 on American market convenience. Score: Liqui Moly 2, Mobil 1, 1. Round 4 is price and value. Liqui Moly products with the appropriate European OEM approvals typically run $12 to $15 per quart at AutoZone, putting a 6-quart change at a European car at about $70 to $90 in oil alone. Mobil 1 ESP products with comparable European approvals run about $12 to $14 per quart. The prices are similar when comparing products with matching OEM approval credentials. This round is essentially a draw on value for the specific products that carry the right European approvals. Score: draw. Here's my verdict. For American truck owners with a European car in the driveway, here is what I tell them. The most important thing is not the brand. It's whether the oil you buy carries the specific OEM approval for your car. Look in your European car's owner's manual for the oil specification. It will say something like BMW LL04, MB 229.51, or VW 507.00. Then, buy an oil that is certified to that specific standard. Liqui Moly has outstanding European approval coverage at AutoZone for about $13 a quart. Mobil 1 ESP is also an excellent choice with strong European approvals. Do not put a standard American API SP oil in a European car that requires a specific European OEM approval. The chemistry is different, and the approval matters. For BMW owners, Liqui Moly Leichtlauf High-Tech 5W40 or Special Tech B 5W30, depending on your approval requirement. For Mercedes owners, Liqui Moly Special Tech AA 5W40 if your car calls for MB 229.5. For Porsche, Liqui Moly Synth Oil Race Tech GT1 10W60 for older Carreras, or their approved 5W40 for newer turbocharged applications. I've linked Liqui Moly and Mobil 1 ESP products with the most common European approvals in the description below. Next time, I'm going through the worst car brands of 2026, the ones mechanics know to avoid. And your truck might actually be on the list in a way that surprises you. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.